Hi and hello, this is Vinod Care from Triad YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one of the easiest method how to install Kali Linux in Windows machine without VirtualBox. So the name of the concept is called Windows Subnet for Linux. So we have three steps. Step one, open the control panel, go to programs and turn Windows features on or off and enable the Windows system subsystem for Linux. So you want to enable that, there is one checkbox. So step 2, open Microsoft apps, go to search. So whatever Ubuntu flavor or Linux flavor do you record, you can select. So here I record, I have Kali Linux, so I have typed Kali, and there is, it shows like free, so you can get and install it. So step 3, you can go to start menu and open the installed Linux flavor and open. So this is the procedure. So let's go to the POC. So this is the control panel. So go to the programs and go to the programs and features, turn Windows features on or off. So there is a pop-up found, it will take few seconds, and enable this Windows subsystem for Linux. So once it was enabled, you can OK and go to Microsoft Store, and here the search you can type Linux or Kali. So in my machine Kali is already installed. So if you record Ubuntu, you can click Ubuntu and it will be full and full free, and you can click the get button. So once it was get, yeah, the download will be happen backgroundly. So after download, it will be asked install or launch. You can put the install, don't give the launch button. So once it was installed successfully, you can go to your start menu and search whatever application you have installed. So I have installed Kali Linux and I have opened. So thanks for watching. If you would like to support me, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. If you are a new user, I'm welcoming you all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.